Hello dear students, welcome again. Today in geography we are going to solve the question answer of chapter 2. The title of the chapter is Globe, Latitudes and Longitudes. So you are to listen them carefully, learn them and do in your notebooks. So let's start. First, answer the following questions briefly. These questions are to be answered in short. So first question is, what is the true shape of the earth? The answer is, our planet earth is not a sphere. It is slightly flattened at the north and the south poles and bulge in the middle. So the shape of the earth is geoid. Okay. Next question. What is a globe? The answer is, globe is a true model, means miniature form of the earth. Okay. Next, what is the latitudinal value of the Tropic of Cancer? The answer is, the latitudinal value of the Tropic of Cancer is 23.5 degree north in the northern hemisphere. Okay. Now fourth question. What are the three heat zones of the earth? The answer is, the three heat zones of the earth are as follows. First, torrid zone. This area receives the maximum heat. Second, temperate zones have moderate temperature. These zones have moderate temperatures. Third is frigid zones. These zones are very cold. Okay. So next, what are parallels of latitude and meridians of longitude? Answer is, all parallel circles from the equator up to the poles are called parallels of latitudes. Lines of references running from North Pole to South Pole are called meridians of longitudes. Next, why does the torrid zone receive maximum amount of heat? The answer is, the torrid zone receives the maximum heat when the midday sun is exactly overhead at least once a year on all latitudes, in between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn. Okay. Next question. Why is it 5:30 p.m. in India and 12 noon in London? The answer is, the earth rotates 360 degree in about 24 hours, which means 15 degree an hour or 1 degree in 4 minutes. India is located east of Greenwich at 82 degree 30 minute east, is 5 hours and 30 minutes ahead of GMT means Greenwich Mean Time. So it will be 7:30 p.m. in India when it is 2 p.m. noon in London. Okay, so they are very short question answer type question. So now second part is tick the correct answers. First is the value of the prime meridian is. So the answer is 0 degree. B. The frigid zone lies near. The answer is the poles. C. The total number of longitudes are. C. The total number of longitudes are. The answer is 180. Next, the Antarctic Circle is located in. The answer is the southern hemisphere. Next, grid is a network of. The answer is parallels of latitude and meridians of longitudes. Let's correct it. Now let's move to the question third, that is fill in the blanks. A. The Tropic of Capricorn is located at. The answer is 23.5 degrees north. B. The standard meridian of India is. The answer is 82 degrees 30 minutes east. C. The 0 degree meridian is also known as. The answer is prime meridian. D. The distance between the longitudes decreases towards. The answer is poles. E. The Arctic Circle is located in the dash hemisphere. The answer is northern hemisphere. Okay, so chapter 2 question answer completed. I hope you will learn them. Write them in your notebook. Though the answer have been prepared with care, yet go through your textbook for more accurate information. Okay, so we'll meet in the next video. Thanks.